So today's video is going to be just a bit of a vlog. I'm going to have a little bit of activity in it, not too much. But as you know, I've been cutting some trees down, some old dead trees, and pulling everything out of the woods with the beast, which we'll talk more about here in a minute. Yesterday, I had the garden wagon weighted down so much with firewood, it started sinking in the mud. You can see the tracks here. And the beast just pulled it right up this hill. I understand that a lot of folks can't fathom the size of this hill, but it's, well, maybe this will give you some indication. In order to get the camper level, I had to raise this side completely off the ground. And then when you come to the back, or the front, excuse me, it's on the ground. The tongue is literally on the ground. I've got a brick underneath the trailer jack. So other than that, it's right on the ground. But then when you come back here, you can see it's, you know, lifting up. So the hill is huge. And I've got 3 bricks, some wood planks. It's a huge hill. So I thought the beast did pretty good climbing the hill. You can see it. There's the tracks of the beast there digging in. And the thing is the John Deere would have struggled a lot with it. The engine would break down. The transmission pulled it. Whew, it's cold and windy. Man, this is terrible. I was going to work on an engine today to change out the camshaft on a lawnmower engine, and I changed my mind. Sitting there without gloves on or doing any activities, it would have gotten cold. So I pulled all that out of the woods here, and it worked just like tractor tires. It would dig in and it would slip a little and pull up. It would have to kind of shovel the leaves out of the way because, you know, the leaves make it slick. Thought it did a pretty good job. I really am impressed with the beast. But like I said, the John Deere wouldn't have done it. The transmission would have started slipping before we got up this hill. It wouldn't have worked. So it's an old mower, and I'm going to use it quite a bit, I'm sure. But here we have some limbs that I want to get out. I got a lot of limbs actually that I want to get out of here. Man, it is so windy. So we get these and a bit more up here at the top, and I want to get those. I don't want to junk up the woods. We have an area over here that is kind of junked up that I can't really get cleaned up. So why not just continue to junk up that area instead of junking up the pretty area? So I'm going to get the beast started. I'm sure it will start, but keep my fingers crossed it'll start. It's pretty cold. And I'm going to tow some of this firewood up, or the limbs up here. I forgot to hit the record button, but it started, and I'm going to let it sit here with half soaked for a minute so it'll warm up. right, well, that's the first stack. I'm gonna continue to work on it, but I probably won't do that on camera. You've seen it once, you've seen it all. So yeah, I think it did an absolutely fantastic job. The branches got hung up on this tree down here, and it stopped the mower, the beast. But then I backed up a little bit, slammed it as fast as it would go, and it ripped this tree out. I didn't mean to do that. That's what happened. That's a bummer, but that's my mistake. But that's incredible. It ripped the tree. It's a good tree. It's got root system. I guess I'll cut that up and give it to Carolyn for cooking wood. So I guess that's all I'm going to do for today on video, and then I'll get those other 2 stacks and call it a day. It's really cold. So if you'll click this up next box, it'll take you to a video where I was working on something. So if I can inspire you to rip the tree out by its roots so you can live your dreams. Thanks for watching.